in this project in Why Speak means to be knowledgeable. So I think one challenge that I will have is to seek the right knowledge for the right time that can be used for proper conversation. And I think I might struggle in a little bit is kung masyadong malalim yung iniisip ko sa Tagalog, baka mahihirapan ako magsalita. Pero maliban doon, I embrace all of the things that might not even be a challenge but might just be unfamiliar. My goal here is, apart from our objective, is also to mostly learn. And I'm not looking at it as a challenge so far, but a welcome opportunity to learn.
Ako similar to Robbie, siguro yung challenge ko dito is the knowledge, experience. That's because we haven't been outside yet in the field talking to people, learning from them, knowing their stories. So siguro, that's our challenge. Pero as we learn, as us hosts learn, hopefully the people watching behind the screens will also learn along with us. Kaya ako, that's one thing I'm very excited also na matuto dito and to hear what the people have to say.
Any tips and advice from Bianca, Ryan, Robbie, Gretchen?
Actually, ang haba din ng usapan na yun. And we're very, very grateful to them for, gracing us with their presence and time nung that whole day na nag-immerse kami and got to know each other and really study what yung gagawin namin sa show. Ano bang pinaka-sinabi nila? It's basically like, they're just handing us the torch. Sabi nga, you guys would know what to do with the show. I mean, sabihin nga nila, di ko na sabihin ko sino, pero one of them sabi, back then we were doing this, di ko nga alam na ginagawa namin eh. So we were like, okay, so medyo nakahinga-hinga kami doon, pero maraming kwentuhan about, the impact of Why Speak back then and the influence of Why Speak back then, and ano lang yung gusto nila for the youth today and for us hosts na ano yung ma-achieve namin, and they just want us to be ourselves basically and know that everything, that this show is bigger than us. It's bigger than us hosts. Yun.
I have another one to build off that. Sa buong araw na yun, nag-workshop kasi po kami nila Ate Bianca, Sir Ryan, and many other industry specialists, not just sa showbiz, but economics, politics, lawyers. And one advice that really, yung talagang tumapat at tumatak sa isip ko is, one of them asked us, are you here to work and get by? Or are you here to provoke thought? So you need to make up your mind. And I think that was very good advice because as hosts, we are not here to tell you just our opinion. Hindi lang kami dito para sabihin kung anong nasa isip namin, para maniwala kayo, ito yung tama, hindi ganon. Our goal here is to host and to guide this show to the direction where conversations will provoke thought and make our people think for themselves. And I think that was very good advice given to us.
And to add to what Robbie said, bigla ko lang naalala, mayroon tayong kanya-kanyang lived experiences na tinatawag. Meron tayong kanya-kanyang realidad, di ba? Iba-iba tayo ng kilalakihang kamalayan, di ba? Maaaring sa Pilipinas, maaaring abroad, pero kung ikaw Pilipino, Pilipino ka. Andito kami para mag-provide ng structure and platform. Noon, ang Why Speak noon, kanina yun ang tanong, ano yung pinagkaiba? Dati wala namang social media eh. Kaya ang Why Speak noon, excited ang mga tao na kapag magkaroon ng platform na literal, ng mic. Ngayon kasi kahit sino pwede nang mag-post. So ngayon, I guess ang difference din, to add to what he said, na na-discuss din namin, nabanggit ni Elijah din, na nung araw na yon na sobrang saya, ay andito kami para maggabay kung paano nga ba italakay yung mga bagay na yun. Then to answer your question, for me, challenge is, kasi ako yung nagpapatakbo ng isang, okay, nagpapatakbo ng isang social enterprise, yung Eco-Uling. So marami akong experience on the ground, trabaho sa community, sa gobyerno. For me, challenge yung marami tayong mga bagay na ako, feeling ko, kung familiar kayo sa chilling effect, yung hindi ako makapagsalita minsan as me kasi baka sa makalawa, sarado na yung negosyo namin, di ba? Aware tayo sa mga political, landscape sensitive na mga dispute sa ating bansa. Pero, sabi ko nga sa Why Speak Team, itong challenge na to ay isang privilege at it's like my voice was given back to me. Kasi andito ako bilang host at hindi bilang CEO and founder ng isang kumpanya, di ba? So malaya ako na magsalita bilang bahagi ng kabataan. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako na maging isa sa host ng Why Speak.
Ayan. Laging trending noon or pinag-uusapan yung Why Speak, hindi lang dahil sa topic, kundi pati sa mga guests. If you will be given a chance to invite celebrity or influencer, sino yung gusto nyong maging guest dun sa show and why?
Oh, hot. Ano yun?
That's a good question.
Oh, si Trump.
Oh.
Oh, si Trump.
I mean, obviously, we're very much open to everyone to guest on the show, no matter what party or ano pa yan, what belief. One of the challenges nga, sorry, babalik ako sa question na yun. Naalala ko lang kasi ngayon dun sa question na yun. Isa sa mga challenges na that day na na-realize ko with the show is that kumari sa debates, di ba? I never really formally debated nung bata ako. Pero nung nag-debate kami, may mga chances na mabibigay sa yung faction or yung side na you don't really agree with. And lalo dito sa show na to, di ba, may madami mga topics na, syempre may personal biases tayo, preferences and principles, all that. Pero we want to be objective with the show. We don't want to show those biases. We want to be open to everybody, no matter what the discourse. So yung mga guests, open kami to anybody for sure. Kung mamimili, hirap kayo, may naisip ba kayo? Hirap na ako
I
mamili.
guess partly kung ano yung topic.
Yeah,
Diba? And I think part of the agreement namin, we have to present all sides. And siguro isang mahalaga rin during that workshop, yung na ano sa kanila, yung makinig. Kasi nakakatawa ng debate. Yung unang round ng debate, di syempre dalawa silang grupo. Si Gretchen yung nag-facilitate eh. Nakakatawa kasi yung isang group, excited, gagawin yung kanilang to the point, hindi nila pinapakinggan yung sinabi ng kabila. So ginagawa lang nila yung maganda nilang speech nung first round. Di ba yun yung pinunan ni Gretchen? Sabi ni Gretchen, guys, hindi kayo nakinig. And it was good speeches, no? So yung next round, nakinig na sila. So, kasi di ba yun yung, sometimes yun yung challenge natin. Hindi tayo nakikinig. Di ba? Nauuna ka agad yung nasa isip natin to the point we don't hear the other person. And siguro yun yung isa sa magandang dito sa grupong to. Ang babait nila.
Hindi nyo alam.
Hindi, tsaka kasi, ito I just want to share this, lagi kong paulit-ulit na sinasabi sa kanila, you own this show. Hindi lang kami, o si Direk, o si Lola Chit, o yung production team ang dapat magplano dito. Sabi ko, kayo ang dapat magplano. This is your show. Kasi, di ba, tayong matatanda, facilitator lang kami. But I really want them to get the ball and run with the ball. Di ba? And kita nyo naman, kayang-kaya. Di ba? You must agree with me, di ba? Kayang-kaya nila. So, okay, go ahead. Sorry. Kayo na.
Yes.
Sagot na kayo.
Robbie and Rico.
Robbie.
Well, to answer your question, I don't have one name on the top of my head. Pero as mentioned by Father Tito at sa sinabi ko kanina, the goal for this show is to provide a holistic perspective. So, I would like and be privileged if we could host debates and conversations with industry experts and leaders, especially yung mga leaders na may plataforma na, may audience, may following, para mas lalo pa natin pwedeng palawakin yung mga usapan na nangyayari dito sa platform natin.
Ako naman, no specific person, pero siguro I'm very excited to be able to have conversations and debates with these politicians, people from their own respective fields, students also. So, abangan nyo na lang po kung sino yung mga guests namin.
Okay, thank you. Ay,
Ako hindi. Excited lang ako na mangyari yung may episode na meron talagang nagdi-disagree both sides, no?
Talagang
Yeah.
debate talaga.
Oo, yung ganon. Kasi dun natin na mapapatunayan na mission accomplished. Na uuwi tayo hindi para maging tama, diba? Para lumawak yung perspective and yung lens natin.
To provoke thought.
To provoke.
Yeah.
so same ito nung previous na version, na one, na meron pa rin yung mga debate na talagang
Meron pa rin.
nagpapalitan sila. And paano nyo yun hinandle? Hindi pa na-stress? Dahil
Masaya po siya.
We're blessed because we don't have to do this alone. So we have hosts here. We were also missing Katie and Ralph with us.
Si Katie pala may lagnat. Kaya wala siya dito, si Katie nilagnat. Tapos si Ralph naman, matagal nang naplano yung bakasyon ng pamilya nila. Kaya they're not with us today. Yeah.
Yes, but it's because of this team, because of Direk, Father Tito, Tita Chit, everyone else in the prod team that we feel confident na kaya namin to. Because we know that together, the entire team will prepare, do our due diligence. We have a mission to do. So, we're not perfect, we might make mistakes, but personally me, I'm confident because of the people that I'm surrounded with in this project.
thank you.
Wala dito, Chad, yung Shuvi, stop! Walang ganun.
Safe space. Ang
Yes.
safe space.
Walang ganun.
Yes.